A story of curious and adventurous deer. Once upon a time, in a forest that spanned as far as the eye could see, there lived a young deer named Scout. From the day Scout was born, he had a curious and adventurous spirit. He would often wander away from his mother and siblings to explore the forest and discover new things. Scout's curiosity led him on many exciting adventures. One day, he stumbled upon a hidden clearing in the forest where a beautiful waterfall cascaded into a sparkling pool. The sight took his breath away, and he spent hours watching the water flow and feeling the mist on his fur. Another time, Scout followed the sound of music to a meadow where a lot of birds were singing and dancing. There were big birds, small birds, white birds, red birds, colorful birds, and so on. He twirled and leaped with joy, feeling completely at home in the natural world. Despite his love of adventure, Scout was always careful not to stray too far from his family's territory, and he would always return to his mother's side by sunset. One day, however, Scout's curiosity got the better of him. He caught the scent of something new and exciting. He saw huge trees in the woods with pretty wildflowers growing on the ground, which smelled so sweet and intoxicating. And then he followed it deep into the forest. Before he knew it, he had wandered far from his family's territory and found himself lost. Scout tried to retrace his steps, but the forest looked unfamiliar and he began to panic. Just when he thought he would never find his way home, he heard a familiar call. His mother's voice. Overjoyed, Scout raced toward the sound, his heart pounding with relief. When he finally reached his family, they surrounded him with love and affection, relieved that he was safe. From that day on, Scout continued to explore the forest with his curious and adventurous spirit, but he always stayed within the safety of his family's territory, knowing that adventure was always waiting just beyond the boundaries. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the video beautiful and enjoyable. I appreciate your support and hope to see you again soon.